Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will learn how to create accounting vouchers with VAT. So from the gateway of Tally go into the accounting vouchers and we are creating first purchase type of voucher. So we are purchasing some items from the other supplier. So by default purchase number is equal to 4 and enter the supplier invoice number here. Enter the date of the purchase and party account name. Here you have to enter the party account name. So I am selecting ICICI bank account name and you have to also enter the order number. So I am entering order number is equal to new order number. Suppliers detail you have to enter. So I am entering ICICI Bank Private Limited and from the Navrangpura Ahmedabad branch. Sales tax number which is the T number. So enter the T number. Type of dealer, register. I am selecting here registered dealer. Now select purchase ledger. So what type of purchase is your purchase VAT at 12.50% or any other purchase ledger. So I am selecting purchase VAT at 12.50%. So VAT tax class is already selected when we select the purchase ledger. So purchase is at 12.5, VAT tax class is selected. Now enter the item which you want to purchase. So I want to purchase raw material 1 which is 300 numbers available. I am entering order detail, order number. Now select the location where particular item you want to put. I want to put this item onto the Ahmedabad to location. I am entering the quantity 450 numbers and 1000 numbers. So amount will be calculated and if you want to purchase any other item then you can also purchase from here. I am not going to purchase any other item, so I am entering. Now you have to select the ledger account of which you want to apply the VAT. So I am applying the VAT of this item is of 4% VAT type, so I have to apply it 4%. So I have to select purchase VAT of 4% and I am entering 4 and yes. So purchase entry is created. And so this way you can create the particular purchase entry using the VAT tax. You can also create output VAT entry using the sale purchase type voucher. So this is the way you can use the VAT and apply VAT and subtract output VAT from the input VAT, and this is the implementation of VAT. Thank you.